10 Weight Loss Tips for Beginners, Transforming Your Journey to a Healthier You. Imagine this: you wake up one morning and catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror. You realize that it's time to take charge of your health and embark on a weight loss journey. Don't worry, you're not alone. Countless individuals have been in your shoes, seeking effective ways to shed those extra pounds and lead a healthier lifestyle. To help you get started, we've compiled a list of 10 practical weight loss tips for beginners. Incorporate these strategies into your routine, and watch as you transform into the best version of yourself. Set realistic goals. Before diving into any weight loss program, it's crucial to set realistic goals. Be honest with yourself about what you want to achieve and create a plan that aligns with your capabilities and lifestyle. Start with small, achievable targets and celebrate each milestone along the way. Make balanced food choices. Weight loss is not about depriving yourself, it's about making healthier choices. Focus on consuming a balanced diet that includes whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Opt for portion control and avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. It aids digestion, boosts metabolism, and helps curb hunger. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day and replace sugary beverages with this zero-calorie wonder. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Slow down during meals, savor each bite, and stop eating when you feel satisfied, not overly full. This helps prevent overeating and promotes a healthier relationship with food. Incorporate physical activity. Regular exercise is essential for weight loss. Start by incorporating moderate intensity activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming into your routine. Gradually increase the duration and intensity as you build stamina and strength. Find an exercise routine you enjoy. To stay motivated, choose exercises that you genuinely enjoy. It could be dancing, hiking, playing a sport, or joining fitness classes. When you have fun while exercising, it won't feel like a chore, making it easier to stick to your routine. Get adequate sleep. Sleep plays a vital role in weight management. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that control hunger and fullness, leading to cravings and weight gain. Practice portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid consuming more calories than your body needs. Use smaller plates, bowls, and cups to visually trick your mind into feeling satisfied with less food. Focus on nutrient-dense foods to feel fuller for longer. Keep a food journal. Maintaining a food journal helps you become aware of your eating habits and identify areas for improvement. Write down everything you eat and drink, including portion sizes. This self-reflection can provide valuable insights into your dietary patterns. Seek support and accountability. Enlist the support of family, friends, or join weight loss communities online. Sharing your journey and progress with others can provide motivation, encouragement, and accountability. Remember, you're not alone on this path. Embarking on a weight loss journey can be both exciting and challenging. By incorporating these 10 weight loss tips for beginners into your lifestyle, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, it's a gradual process, and the key is to adopt sustainable habits that promote overall well-being. Celebrate every achievement, no matter how small, and stay committed to your goals. You've got this.